Who here loves Deya-style editing? Because I'm a huge Deya fan. Ever watched a Deya video and thought, how does this look so clean, cute, and aesthetic, not over edited? You're not imagining it. Deya uses a presentation style format similar to Ali Abdaal. It's visual and text on one side, a camera bubble on the other, calm pacing, and minimal effects. It looks intentional, polished, almost expensive. Yeah, actually. And here's the good news. You don't need expensive editors. You don't need Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro. And yes, CapCut is free. So in this video, I'll show you how to edit YouTube videos like Deya in CapCut for free, step by step. And at the end, I'll also share an easier editing tool I personally use. So let's go. Quick intro. My name is Novi. I'm a freelancer, a content creator, and an affiliate sales partner. And video plays a huge role in how I make a living online. Ever since, I edited everything myself. And let's be honest, editors are expensive, especially if you're uploading consistently on YouTube. And also if you're a solopreneur, a startup founder who doesn't have a budget to pay for a video editor. That's when I realized something important. Most creators don't need fancy editing. They need clarity, structure, and a repeatable editing style. That's why today we're breaking down how to edit like Deya using CapCut, even if you're a complete beginner. Alright, so before we open CapCut, let's define what people actually mean by Deya-style editing. So when people search how to edit like Deya editing style, minimal YouTube editing, cute aesthetic video editing, what they're really looking for is clean visuals, cute aesthetic layouts like this one, calm pacing, no distracting effects. Because, this style works because it feels intentional and not chaotic. So it's perfect for freelancers, solopreneurs, coaches, educational YouTube channels, especially if your goal is clarity and not overwhelm. Okay, so if you don't have a CapCut account yet, you can sign up for free because CapCut is free, and you can use CapCut Desktop, CapCut Web, or CapCut Mobile. For YouTube, I recommend CapCut Desktop because it's very easy to use and all of the features that you need are already here. So I'm using a pro plan, so it's very, very affordable. It's very cheap. It's only 2,500 pesos per year. That's pesos, so that's roughly around $40 per year. And actually can use it for free. So to start, let's create a new project. So here, just click create new project and import your footage. So import your footage. Let's import that. So we have a talking head here, and let's add it to the track. Click add to track. The first thing that you need to do is to reduce the noise and isolate your voice, so the audio will be clean. So as you can see, it's isolating voice and keeping the audio clean. Okay, so this is the ratio of this is 16:9. Okay, so the voice isolation is now done, and now you're ready to create a Deya-style video. So as you can see, we want this circle bubble and a presentation style like that. So this is very easy, and I'm gonna teach you how. So go to CapCut, and then, so for example, let's play the video. Quick intro if we haven't met yet. I'm Nobi. I'm a freelancer and a content creator, and also an affiliate sales partner. So my goal this year is to, okay, so if you want to put some text and emphasize the things that you're saying, and you want a camera bubble. Okay, so to create a camera bubble like that, go to video, click mask, click add mask, and then as you can see, it created a line, a rectangle like that. So choose circle. Okay, so now you have, so let's choose the size. So we want something like that. And then, so it will apply to the whole clip. But if you want to, I need to put my mic there so I can talk. Wait lang. So I can talk clearly. All right, so if you put the mask like that, it will apply to your whole clip. So what you're gonna do is to remove first the mask, and then only cut the part that you'd like to mask. or to present a camera bubble. So for example here, sales partner. So my goal this year is to, okay. So here I want to emphasize this part, double my affiliate sales income. I don't run massive ad budget. I rely content to build trust, attract leads, and convert them to sales. That's why this book, okay, so we want to make a camera bubble till here. Okay, that's the shortcut for cut is Command B for Mac. Okay, so here we want to put mask. Okay, so we want it to place here. And then, okay, so place the cut part there and add mask, choose circle, and then voila. It's already like that. Or if you want to make it like that, or just like this, it's already cute. And then, so as you can see there. So what you're gonna do in the background part is that click still on the video tab. Okay, so if you wanna to make it soft, just feather it like that. Then use 10, and then let's put a background. So go to basic and then put a canvas. So let's put a color. So for example, let's do a white background or a gray one, something yellow or something papery. Okay, so it's here, background has been added to this clip. So just choose your color. Okay, so now you've chosen your background for that one. So now you just add the text. So it says here, double my affiliate sales. So just add text, click that, and then you can double my affiliate sales. Okay. So there. Choose your font, choose the color. All right, so that's how you put text. All right, so if you want to put some stickers like this, you can just add it there. Double my affiliate sales. And I don't. Okay, so for example, that one, goal. My 2026 goal. Okay, so you already saw how how to add text, how to add stickers, how to mask and convert them into sales. That's why this look at that. So it will go back to the original size. So if you want to add more mask or different shapes like Deya, you can actually do that in CapCut. So as you can see, Deya's here. So it's very similar. So you can download a background like this and just put it in the background in CapCut. So it's the same concept, and it's the secret here is the mask. All right. All right. So you've already learned how to put masks on your video. It takes a bit of a setup, but once you've done it, you can reuse it for every video. So if you want your videos to look polished, you can just use simple fonts, avoid bold, heavy styles, just edit them lightly. And this alone improves retention and watch time. So now with the color and sound, you don't need cinematic color grading. This is what I use. So I just use filters just to improve lighting and my appearance, of course. So just use 4K and glow, and I'll just set it to 50. So it's not overly powering. And I will already look at like an AI if I'll just make it over filtered. Okay, that's it. And just keep it subtle. Deya's videos keep sound effects minimal. She only uses here, you can go to audio, sound effects, and she only uses mouse clicks. So here, just search mouse click sound. And whenever text appears, just put it there. Okay, so if you want to put a mouse click sound like that, just put it below the text. There. To double my affiliate sales. All right. That's it. Okay, so you can just repeat the same process. So if you want here full camera, and then here this part will be a mask or a camera bubble with a different shape. You can just cut that and then put a mask. So that's the secret. You don't need a subscription to Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut or Final CapCut. You can do it yourself actually. So now if you're happy, you can just export that and save it in your computer. That's it. All right, now, so I'm going to introduce to you another video tool other than CapCut. So it's a CapCut alternative that I'm using. So you can record and edit in one place, auto cut mistakes, auto zoom for emphasis, create clean creator style videos fast. So that is Tela. So if you want to edit videos like that in Tela, watch this video and see how to edit videos in Tela. Also, if you've tried Tela and you like it, I've got 30% off for you. Pro tip, go for annual mode and maximize your savings. Thanks so much. Till the next one. Bye.